Hey guys, so I'm taking a trip from Mumbai to Gujarat, which is approximately around around 450 to 500 kilometers. I will show you the details of the kilometers. For now, what we are going to do is we have just filled fuel in the car, and I'm just going to reset my mileage meter so we can calculate the average that we are going to get in this car. I'll give you the details of the car in a while during my journey. Okay, so this is the system. We've just filled the tank full fuel. Okay, that's go to settings. Go to driving eco, go to trip report, and we reset. So we've got our kilometers, which is 0, and time taken is 0. So I'm traveling with my mom. That's my mom. Okay, so I'll keep you updated about the journey after every 200 kilometers. Okay. So as you guys can see, I was at the petrol pump, so I had to hurry. Selecting the journey to Vadodara, and it shows us that it's 390 kilometers, and it's telling me the total journey is around 6 hours 46 minutes. I plan to take halts after every 2 hours, so I'll keep you updated. Okay. So we've just left Mumbai and not even left Virar, and there is a huge traffic jam. You can see over here. It's a huge traffic jam, and just wanted to let you know that it's quite packed. It shows for quite some distance. So we're still stuck in traffic. If you see this, it's only been around 15 kilometers that we have moved since we have filled fuel, and the traffic jam is still quite tight. Hopefully this clears fast. As of now, with this traffic jam, it's showing us the average of 9.1 kilometers, and the average speed is around 14.4 kilometers. Seems to be it's moving a little bit right now. Hopefully it gets cleared soon and we can start on
that same one who had overtaken us has come there.
So I'll keep you updated. Thanks a lot. So we are almost clearing the patch now. Ideally there was a truck that had overturned, to which the patch was. It's now around 18 kilometers, 18.3 kilometers to be precise, and time is, it's taken us around 1 hour 41 minutes. And if you look at the average, that has now dropped to 6.8. So we were at 11 before the traffic started, and from 11 it's dropped down to 6.8 kilometers, and we've just traveled around 18.4 kilometers so far. Now it seems to be that it's getting a little smoother now, the traffic, so hopefully we can pick up some speed and also get some averages. Thank you. I'll keep you updated. So hi guys, we've taken a small halt at a small restaurant just to have tea. We took a halt at around 5:30. It's around 5:48 right now. We've covered around 205 kilometers, and so far it's given us an average of 17.1 kilometers per liter. The speed I have taken is approximately around, I have not crossed around 80 kilometers. 80 is the max that I have gone. Although the car can go fast, but because it's night time, I'm not driving too too fast, and there's a lot of fog as well. So now we'll continue the journey from here for the remaining distance. Okay, and I'll keep you updated. So finally we reached Baroda at 9 o'clock in the morning, but just because a few family members had come to visit us, I did not take the shoot at the end. But if you see that it took around 376 kilometers. It took us total 7 hours 47 minutes, mainly because of the traffic jam that we had. And the fuel consumption on the highway run, it's showing as 18.4 kilometers. The average speed is around 46.3. So after I've last spoken to you all, I drove the car between around 70 to 80 again on an average speed with a mild acceleration, not pressing the acceleration too hard. I'll keep you updated now. Now we have reached Baroda, and now I will roam around within the city, maybe in the car, or maybe I'll take my uncle's car and go. But if I roam, then I will keep you posted about the average within the city and the highway as well. Okay, so as you see right now, at this moment after we have reached, it's covered 376 kilometers with an average of 18.4 kilometers per liter, which is definitely a very good average, considering the fact that we had almost an hour of slow moving traffic, neck to neck traffic within while we left Mumbai. So I'll keep you posted now later on again in further updates on this video. Take care. Bye. So as I mentioned earlier that we had taken a halt at my uncle's place at Vadodara. Now from Vadodara, me and my mom, we are now going to travel to Ahmedabad from here. As of now, we just roamed a little bit in the city, so I'll just show you the average that has dropped. We traveled, I think, around 35 odd kilometers, and now the average, I'll show it to you. The average has now dropped to 17.6 kilometers, and 17.6 kilometers per liter. And if you look at the kilometers totally traveled, it's 411.7. So as of now, I have not yet filled fuel. If you see the fuel indication, and we're going to go to Ahmedabad from here. So let me just check to see what will be the approximate distance it will tell me that I have. So it says that I can still travel around 180. I'm very sure that Ahmedabad is well within that. So once we reach Ahmedabad, so I'm going to Ahmedabad to actually my sister who's coming by flight, and once we'll pick her up, I will be filling fuel, so we get an average understanding of what is the mileage when two people are traveling in the car, and then when we are traveling back, we'll be 4 of us, so me, my mom, my sister and one of her friends, and then we'll take the mileage out that time as well. So we get a fair understanding as what will be the approximate average when you are traveling with 2 people and with 4 people in the same route itself. Okay, cool. I'll keep you updated. So I've just stopped at the petrol pump to fill fuel, and I'll just take you out there and fill the fuel. मैं फुल टैंक
पेट्रोल है ना?
हाँ पेट्रोल
देखो सब।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ऑटोमेटिकली बंद होने दो।
कोई बात नहीं, कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता है।
हाँ so this nozzle is a small nozzle as we had filled earlier as well, so I'm just filling the same nozzle. We will not overfill it. As soon as it stops automatically, we will stop the fuel. मैं कार्ड है ना मशीन। That's showing as 36. हाँ बस निकाल दो। Showing 36.94. And I'm just done. हाँ you look at the meter as well. We traveled around 521.2 kilometers, and if you look at the meter, it's saying 17.4. And if we look at this gauge to tell us how much fuel was actually consumed, thank you. It shows 29.9. We just pause the video. So we just moved on the other side of the road of the pump. That's the pump, and we are here. I just put the glass on top so there's less noise. Now we traveled. Now just to show you, calculator. Okay. So we have traveled 521.3 divided by 36. How much went in, you remember? 36 point. Okay, let's take it as 36. It's showing as a 14 average. And the meter shows 17.4. Now what we'll do is we are going to reset this right now. So we are back to 0 kilometers. And while we are traveling back with 3 people, we'll again check the fuel. Hi guys, so I left with my sister and her 2 friends. So we were totally, one friend and my mom. So we were totally 4 in total. Left from Ahmedabad airport, reached Bombay after taking a couple of halts. And there were 2 places where we got a lot of traffic jam because one was an accident on the road due to which the diversion was done and it took a little while there. And the second one was I'm not quite sure what happened to the second one, but that was again a traffic jam. So finally with 4 people and a luggage of almost 100 odd kilos, in fact more than 100 kilos, the average that I have got is on the car display. If you see, at Ahmedabad we had reset the meter, so it's a total distance of 510.6 kilometers, and we reached here in 10 hours 18 minutes. That's because we took a couple of breaks as well. And the average consumption is 16.5. If you see the fuel, we still have plenty of fuel left.
Full tank.
जब ऑटोमेटिक बंद हो जाएगा ना तो निकाल देना. ये कार्ड चालू है ना? Ideally, as per the meter, it shows that we should fill around 30. It should fill around 33 liters. Then we'll get an average of 16.7 as per the dashboard. So let's see if it comes to that much. .60, and this has stopped. Now we go inside the car and just reset the meter.
टेम्पो 100 रुपया डाले जाओ ना बहुत हल बुला रहे डालो तो